Windows, keyboard shortcut to view calendar. Is there a keyboard shortcut to bring up the calendar in Windows 7? I am referring to the calendar that is displayed if you click on the date-time display in the system tray. If that is not possible, is there any trick to display any calendar, with current date highlighted, with a keyboard shortcut?
Windows 11. Win plus N. Windows 10, as of anniversary update. New in Windows 10 anniversary update. Win plus Alt plus D. This will pop open the calendar and pressing it again will close it. For a full list of Windows shortcuts, go here.
Keyboard shortcut. You can display the calendar with a combination of 3 keyboard shortcuts. Win plus B, arrow right, enter. Explanation. Win plus B selects the Windows system tray, arrow right selects the calendar, enter opens the calendar. Screenshot. Image source, How to Geek. Write this auto hotkey script. Now Alt plus D will open the date/clock window. If you don't know what auto hotkey is, just Google it, download it, open a notepad document, insert the script line and save the file. Rename it as filename.uck. The file logo will become a green H. Double-click it. The logo will appear in the right-hand taskbar icons, and the script should work. To change the hotkey, exchange. For hash, or plus for win, control, or shift, respectively, or keep. For alt. And change the letter if you want. Or learn about uck and do anything you like.
You can bring up the date and time window, which comes up when you click on the changed date and time settings, with a shortcut key by doing the following. On the desktop, or any folder, right-click an empty location and click New, then Shortcut. For the location type timedate.cpr. Click Next, enter any name you prefer. Then click Finish. Now right-click the new shortcut and select Properties. In the shortcut key, text box type any key you would like for the shortcut. Source.
I could not find any direct way to do this. Instead, I added the calendar gadget in Windows 7 and created an auto hotkey script to show or hide gadgets, and thus calendar, whenever needed when a keyboard shortcut, Win plus G, was pressed. The awk script to do this can be found here and more details on it here.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.